Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're tackling a common issue that many Chrome users face. Chrome installer stuck on waiting to download. If you're frustrated with this problem, stay tuned, as we'll explore the reasons behind it and provide solutions to get you back up and running in no time. And add the sentence I will show in this video 3 solution. Let's dive in. Open an Edge browser. Open the link from video description. Click on Download Chrome. Click on Save As and save the file. Downloading the Chrome installer file. Open the file location. Double-click on the downloaded file. Click on Run. Click on Yes. Installing Chrome. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Search CMD. Click on Run as administrator. Click on Yes. Copy the command from video description and paste here by pressing Ctrl+V and press Enter. Copy the command from video description and paste here by pressing Ctrl+V and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Right-click on Windows Start. Go to Settings. Click on Privacy and AMP Security. Click on Windows Security. Click on Open Windows Security. Click on Virus and AMP and Threat. Click on Manage Settings. Turn off real-time protection for temporary. Click on Yes. Now try to install Chrome. I hope this tutorial helped you, so please like, comment, and subscribe.